You propose a guessing game, yet you don't give me enough time to guess. For the record, I was going to say, your sister Priya.
Oh, Sheldon, you haven't changed a bit, have you?
Why would I change?
The hope has been that you'd eventually bend to public opinion. So, Priya, what brings you back to LA?
I have a one-day layover on my way to Toronto. Go.
Layover.
Okay, forget who's hotter. The first time Priya came to LA, Leonard and I made a pact out of respect to our friendship and to you that neither of us would hit on her.
Did you pinky swear?
Yes.
Okay, then. Cobbler. I'm still laughing.
Cobbler.
学英文，记单字，练口语 ，Vocabulary Big Bang。现在就 subscribe。
Subscribe.